everybody, this is Jill here, and I am going to record this video today with a few yoga postures for people who want to start low and calm and without much effort into physical practice, especially yoga. And I have a chair here by the side too that I'll be using afterwards to show the same posture. So for this beginning moment here, let's close our eyes. If you feel comfortable, closing your eyes where you are at. Bring your hands to the heart center, palms together. They don't need to be pressing each other. And let's take 3 deep breaths together. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Feel the spine stretching as you inhale. Exhale. Relax the body. One more. Inhale. And exhale. I'm going now to the side, to the front here of my mat. I'll do some inhale, lifting the arms up. A little bit of a back bend, and exhale all the way up. If you need blocks, you can use blocks. The block has 3 heights. You choose the one you feel most comfortable with. Relax the head down. Inhale halfway up. Exhale down. Then inhale again. Exhale down. Your arms can be towards the side. Exhale, relax. Inhale, half lift. Exhale down. One more. Inhale all the way up. Exhale down. Bring your hands to the blocks if you feel more comfortable. And you can stay here as long as you want, enjoying the stretch in the back of the body and feeling a nice relaxation overcoming the body. Okay, inhale halfway up, exhale down, and inhale all the way up again. Hands to heart center, feel breath here. Gaze can be down, can be in front of you, but if you feel comfortable, close your eyes a little. Good. Now we are going to do some cat-cow. So slowly come to your knees. The wrist is in the same direction as the shoulders, and the knees in the same direction as the hips. So you look a little ahead of your hands here. Relax your feet. If you can't put the top of your feet on the mat like this, you can be on your toes, that you can be here too. And as you inhale, relax the belly. Your gaze is slightly going in front of you. Feel a nice stretch on the front of the body. And then exhale, pushing your hands down and bringing the chin towards the chest. Inhale, coming up, gaze up, opening the heart center. Push the shoulder blades towards each other here, or just flow what you feel in your body. And exhale, push your hands down. Let's do just one more. Inhale up, relax the body, relax the belly, and then push the hands. Inhale up. Then come to a more neutral posture. And we are going, from here, we're going to sit. Find the most comfortable posture for sitting. You can use a block. You can use any blanket. I have my blanket here, yoga blanket or any blanket. You can sit to lift your sitting bones a little more. Then inhale, lifting your hands up, and exhale to the right. And we're going to take a few breaths here. Inhale and slowly exhale. feel the stretch coming from the belly up. Exhale. And one more this side. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, lifting the arms up again. And exhale to the other side. Take 3 more breaths here. Inhale. And exhale. Your gaze can go all the way to the back too. Use your hand here, the right hand on top of the left to leverage. And one more inhale here. Inhale up. Slowly exhale down. Now inhale, lifting both arms up. And hands to heart center. Now we are going to do a spinal balance. So come to all fours again. Pressing the hands down and the knees. It's the same posture we are doing before for cat-cow, but we are going to stretch one leg, so you can start with your right leg, pressing here. You can stay here as you are, tighten up the belly, see that the hips are parallel to the mat, to the floor, and not lifting up. Take one inhale here and exhale. Now if you feel comfortable, lift the opposite arm. So my right leg is on the mat, my left arm is standing in front of me. If you want, lift that back leg, the right leg. So left arm, right leg. And we'll take a few breaths here. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Gaze is just a little bit ahead of you. Inhale. Exhale. With the last one, we are going to inhale. As we exhale, we bring the elbow towards the leg towards the elbow. And then stretch again. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, stretch, and bring it both to the mat. Move your body to any side you feel comfortable doing so. And if you have any pain on your knees, you can put extra thing here under the knee to make it comfortable. So I could have put my blanket here. You can do the same. Okay, stretch the other leg now. For me, it's the left one. So my toes are here. I feel a nice stretch on my calf on my left side. I feel strong. I feel comfortable here. So I'm going to stretch the opposite arm, which this time for me is my right arm. Okay, now if you feel comfortable, lift the leg without lifting the hip to the side. The hips are parallel to the mat. Just a few more breaths here. Whole body's working. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now prepare. Inhale. And as you exhale, round the back of the body, bring the arm under the body and the knee too. Inhale, stretch. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, hand and knee down. Move your body from side to side. Come all the way backwards here in a child's pose. You can have your hands only touching the mat. You can separate your knees and bring the toes towards each other. One more big inhale here. Exhale down. And slowly come up. Now I'm going to show the same postures but with the chair. Okay. We'll start with our sun salute. So inhale, lifting the arms up. Exhale, down. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, down. Inhale, lifting the arms up. Exhale, down. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, down. And again, you can use the blocks here. So I'm going to show with the blocks. Inhale. Exhale, down. Hands to the blocks. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, down. One more. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, down. Inhale all the way up. Hands to heart center. Now we're going to do the cat's cow on the chair. I'm not going to move my chair. I'll just go sideways here on the chair, but you can move yours if you want, if you're doing that on the chair. So as we inhale here, doing the back bend, make sure your elbows are going towards the back of the body and not sideways, so back. Exhale, slide your hands towards the knees, round the back a lot, feeling, enjoying that stretch. Inhale up, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Inhale up to neutral posture, and then we're going to go to our next posture. That's going to be our twist, and then we're going to do a spinal balance. Inhale, lifting your arms up. Exhale towards one side. I'm turning to my right side. Your hands can be by the side of the chairs or here on your leg. Use them to help you twist the body as you inhale and exhale here for a few more minutes, or depending on how long you want to be in the posture, or breath. I like counting the breath. So inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale, bringing both the hands up, and exhale to the other side. I usually like 5 breaths in each side. Inhale, exhale. Feel that movement coming from the lower body up. And if you have a chair that has less tall of a back, you can bring your arm around. Mine is a little too tall for me. Inhale, exhale, and one more here. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale, bringing both arms up, and exhale with your hands towards your heart center. Close your eyes for one more breath here if you want. And we are going to do our spinal twist, spinal balance on the chair. So on the chair, I'll keep my chair the same way here. I will bend my knees, have my knees with a little bit of a bend here. I will start again with my right leg to the back. You can keep your toes on the floor, or you can lift it up without lifting the body, okay? So your bones here on the hips are parallel to the mat. If you feel comfortable here, whether the feet is touching, the foot is touching the floor or it's in the air, lift your arm now. And take a few breaths here. And exhale. Relax your mouth, don't press your jaws. Inhale. Exhale. Now prepare. Inhale. And then bring the arm under the body and the leg too. It's only if you feel comfortable. Exhale here. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale. Let's take one more breath here. Inhale. And exhale. Bring your hands down, your foot down. Move your legs a little from side to side here if you need any movement. And we are going to do the other side. It's very important the chair don't move on you. Chair stay put. Okay, let's start with just the feet, the toes on the mat or on the floor. The arm here has a little bit of a bend. Now inhale, lift the leg if you want, otherwise keep the toes on the mat and stretch the other arm. Let's take a few breaths here. If you want, you can make some movements for your ankle here, otherwise just keep the breath steady and feel the core engaging. Now inhale to prepare. Exhale, bring it under the body. Inhale, stretch. Exhale. And one more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Bring your hands to the chair, the foot to the mat. Move a little from side to side. Feel comfortable to stretch your arms over the chair, head towards the seat of the chair as if you were on the floor doing your child's pose. You may bend your legs a little if you want, or just enjoy the stretch here. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale, push there. And slowly come up. And we are going to be seated. If you are at home and doing the postures on the floor, you can sit on the floor. I'll sit on the chair. People sitting in the chair can put their feet on the blocks for final relaxation and get warm if you are in a cold place, or get less clothes if you are in a place that's too hot. So to finish our practice, just as we started, bring your hands to the heart center. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable closing your eyes. Relax your shoulders. Relax the area around your eyes. Relax your mouth. Relax the jaw. Bring a little smile to your face. Feel the breath coming tranquil, relaxed. More oxygen in the body. And always keep what was best for you in whatever practice or whatever thing you do. Thank you very much, and may the light of our hearts be always present in each other's lives, and may the world be a better place for everyone, no exception. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Peace and love to you all. Thank you. Namaste.